Hi, my name is Josephine Lenati, and today we are doing a non-traditional meditation. This will be art-based. All you will need is 2 art utensils and a canvas. You can adapt this to use any medium you would like, whether it's pencils or paint, even unconventional or atypical mediums. You could go outside and use chalk, or even makeup and use it on your arms and hands, whatever you want. You will need 2 or more colors available and pick your least and your most favorite of the selection. I will be using markers. Once you are settled, I invite you to take a deep breath. And another. Now take your least favorite color, and I want you to think about the things that are troubling you, the things that are bringing you stress or negative emotions, and focus it into this utensil. Keep breathing. Now start letting those feelings flow onto your canvas. You may close your eyes and let your hands guide you, or keep them open if you are more comfortable. Focus on that release of those worries and fears out of this medium and onto the paper. Let whatever lines and points and jabs form as you feel them. Let this flow for as long as you need, keeping steady breaths and a relaxed body. For the sake of time, I will be stopping mine in about 30 seconds, but feel free to pause the video and keep going if you need to. Relax and breathe. Once you have come to a stopping point, pick up your favorite color, and I want you to think about all the things that are bringing you joy, the things that are making you happy and that you are grateful for, things that bring about positive emotions and peace. Let it flow through this utensil. Let your hands guide the artwork. Keep breathing. Find happiness in the expression of these feelings. Once again, I will wrap mine up in about 30 seconds, but feel free to pause and go as long as you would like. Relax and smile. Once you set this utensil down, I want you to look at the piece you have created. Notice how these 2 colors interact and complement each other. Reflect on what this means to you. Think about the release and lessons of the negative emotions. Think about the relief and peace of the positives. Notice that they are part of the same piece, that they are both a part of your life in this very moment. And know that you are in full control of how you view this canvas. Let this be a reflection and a moment of grace. Be thankful for both of these colors and whatever they have to offer. Take a breath. Let them bring strength and love into your heart, right here and right now. Amen.